Casting quenching is a heat treatment process in which a cast metal workpiece is heated above its critical temperature, and then rapidly cooled to alter its microstructure, thereby enhancing hardness, strength, and wear resistance. Functions of quenching: increase hardness and strength, improve wear resistance, ideal for parts subjected to friction, refine grain structure, reduces coarse grains formed during casting, improving material uniformity, prepare for tempering. Precautions: uniform heating, avoid local, overheating or insufficient heating.Medium choice, water, oil, polymer, Air.Preheating and Gradual Cooling, preheating for complex shapes. Use staged quenching for uneven thickness.Tempering within 24 hours, reduces residual stress and prevents delayed cracking.Material suitability. High-risk materials, for example, cast iron, require strict control. Non-ferrous metals, for example, aluminum, may not use quenching.